Hi guys, this is Sakshi Sagar. I hope all of you are doing well. So today I've created this beautiful pinky Iceland look, which I call it. I'm loving the way it has turned out. I've used some rhinestones and some great pink eyeshadows to create this look. So if you're interested, keep on watching and please like and comment below for what more videos you want to see. I'm really excited to create some good content for you guys. Keep on watching.
So the first step would be to prime your skin. Here I'm using the O3 Plus primer, which will give a very smooth layer on my face for my foundation to glide on. Next I'm using my favorite brushes, which are the Makeup Bible brushes. It's my own brush line and I would be using them to create this beautiful look. I'm using my buffer brush here and I'm using a foundation by Huda Beauty, which is the 4 Filter foundation. This one has a full coverage, so it will create a very nice and even finish on your skin, which I really like. I'm also going ahead with my beauty blender and damping off excess product to create that flawless looking base. Next, I'll be taking my concealer in Too Faced, which is the Born the Way concealer. This has been my favorite concealer and I'm glad it's available in India now. You can easily get it here and it blends really well and the coverage is amazing. So I highly recommend this. Now I'm using my Bahama Mama contour powder from the Balm Cosmetics. I'm using it with my contour brush from my brush collection. And this one will really sculpt your face and make it look slimmer. So I would really recommend doing this step. No matter what face shape you are, it just adds an extra edge to your makeup. Next, I'll be using my MAC Mineralized blush in Dainty. This has been one of my must-have blushes from many years. It gives a very nice soft pink glow on your cheeks, which is really important. Topping off with a highlighter, and now I'm all ready to do my eyes. So I'll be using this lip color from Kat Von D, which is Lovecraft. It's a nice pink lip color. I'll be just using it as a base for my pink eyeshadows to pop even more when I use them on top. So I'm blending it with my blending brush and you'll have to really blend it in these windshield wiper motions so that it creates a very nice and soft finish. I'm also using some on my lower lash line because it just completes the eye and it makes it look more elongated. So I'll be just using it here before using my eyeshadow palette. For the eyeshadow palette, I'll be taking the Huda Beauty Obsessions palette in pink. Again, using some pink eyeshadows from it to just create a nice even look from the base that we have put. We are putting it on top of it to create that nice pinky effect. Filling in my brows by the Anastasia Tip Brow Pomade, and now the main part, the eyeliner. So this is the MAC liquid eyeliner in silver. I've had this for the longest time and this looks beautiful and this will help us create that perfect pinky Iceland look that we are looking for. I'm creating a little wing with it, and usually we put a black eyeliner, so this is just a very refreshing change. I'm just doing my mascara. This is the L'Oreal Voluminous Mascara. This is a very nice drugstore mascara. If you want to lay your hands on it, it gives you a very nice volume. Taking my rhinestone wheel, this is the most fun part. I'll be using some of the rhinestones just, below that wing that we have created on the tear duct and the center of my lower lash line. It just gives a very pinky Iceland, the theme that we are going for. It just completes that and I love it. Now I'm just using an Oriflame pink lip liner to fill in my lips and using the same lipstick in Lovecraft just to enhance them. And I'll also be using a lip gloss which is Beach from Bobbi Brown. This is one lip gloss I have which works for every look. It's beautiful. And here we go. Our look is complete. Please like, subscribe and share and please comment below if you like this video. And until next time, I'll see you guys. Bye bye.